So when I was in Egypt last week, I met up with some friends who took me to what is the best burger shop in all of Egypt. And I took a bite of the burger and I could not even swallow because it was just so disgusting. So now I'm headed to a grocery store to make a burger just to show my friends back in Egypt what a true burger actually tastes like. So I'm making smash burgers because they're the absolute easiest type of burger to make, and I'm still incredibly jet lagged right now. So first things you're gonna wanna do is get your meat. And unlike in Egypt, this meat is not halal. Turns out all the meat in Egypt has to be halal. Now you take that ball, put it onto a ripping hot skillet, and smash it. That's where the name comes from. Okay, now let's move on to something else. Oh yeah, caramelized onions. So first we're gonna roughly chop some onions, throw it into a skillet with a lot of butter, and just let it sit for a while, and it'll magically turn into the best things on the face of the earth. I wish I had a better video of it.
And you're gonna grab some vegetables for your quick choppity chop. Throw that toasted bun down, followed by the 2 patties and those vegetables you chopped.
Then you're gonna top it with diced pickles, some Dijon mustard, and mayo.
And after a full minute of watching me cook something that you can't eat, I get to enjoy this incredible burger. Just listen to me.
Also, did I just make a whole video about how to make a burger after having one bad burger in another country? Yes.